When it comes to managing your money, choosing the right bank account is key. If you're looking at TD Bank, you've probably heard about their relationship checking options. These accounts are designed to reward you for keeping a deeper connection with the bank, but understanding the fee structure is essential. You're wondering about the minimum balance for the relationship checking to avoid the monthly maintenance fee. While TD Bank has different checking products, let's focus on the one that offers the most robust relationship perks, like the TD Beyond checking account. This account is designed for customers who typically maintain higher balances and want premium features. To avoid the monthly maintenance fee on the TD Beyond checking account, you have a few ways to qualify, and one of them involves a minimum balance. You must maintain a $2,500 minimum daily balance in the checking account itself. However, the relationship part of the account means you have other options that use your combined balances. You can also waive the fee by having a combined minimum daily balance of $25,000 across all your eligible TD Bank deposit accounts, including checking, savings, money market, and even certain loans you link. So, while a direct minimum daily balance in the checking account is an option, the true relationship waiver uses your total assets with the bank. Knowing these different options helps you pick the path that best suits your overall financial picture. By meeting one of these requirements, you unlock the premium benefits, like earning interest, getting ATM fee reimbursements, and receiving certain free services. Always check the latest account disclosures, but these are the key numbers to keep in mind when establishing your financial relationship with the bank.